Good morning, guys. It's 5:35 a.m. and I'm just starting my bike. This is the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway that I'm taking. There's a Shell fuel station just after the airport toll, so I'll be fueling up there and then brief about the ride, and then we get going. We're just crossing the airport toll. This is not the actual toll that I was referring to. There's another toll ahead. We're hitting the Hyderabad road. So once I cross that road, I'll get a Shell fuel station. We'll fuel up there. I need to top up the tank and then we'll get going. I left it around 5:30 so that we can cover most of the distance before sunrise, and later it gets hot. It gets really hot and it's really tough to ride. It's going to be a long ride today, around 300 kilometers one way, and I'm going to return on the same day. I will tell you more about it once I fuel up. I'll just lube my chain and then get back to you. So that is the toll I was referring to. The best part of Indian tolls, it's free for two-wheelers, and I love it. Not all of it, but most of it is free. So here we are at Shell. I hope it's open. Yes, it is. What's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are riding to Gandhakota. That's in Andhra Pradesh. You can see this. It's around 6:15 a.m. in the morning, and I just fueled up. You can see my bike in the background. No, it's somewhere behind that fuel pump. So I'm somewhere near Nandi Hills on the way on the Hyderabad road. So it's a 300 kilometer ride. It's gonna take me around 5.5 to 6 hours with stops. Once I reach there, I'll just give you a view of the place, and I'm gonna come back on the same day. So it's gonna be around a 650 kilometer ride for me. I'm riding solo today for a change. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. I'll take you through the beautiful scenic routes, but most of it is gonna be highway roads because I want to reach there. The destination is wonderful, Gandhakota is known as the Great Canyon of India. I'm sure you heard of it. You're gonna love the view. So I've just fueled up. I picked up a Red Bull from the Shell store, and now I'm going to head back. I'm not going to waste much of time over here, and to also keep you updated, I carry my own food while traveling. So I have some sandwiches packed that my mom has made for me this morning. See this dude, it's just fogging up, I missed, what do you call it? This is the problem when people with specs wear masks, but this is very much required in public places. Okay, catch you guys on the way then. I've just done filling up. See you guys. Hope you love the ride. Stay tuned for more. Next stop is going to be post 100 odd kilometers for breakfast. As I told you, I carry my own snacks, so we'll have it somewhere on the roadside. We're just crossing Bagepalli Toll Plaza, Karnataka, and I guess this is the border for Andhra and Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So now that the interstate travel restrictions have been relaxed, that's why I chose this spot, so that I can just cover it up before it gets too crowded. So far we've done 106 kilometers. That's right from my house. So far it has been great. The weather has been wonderful. I know it's going to get sunnier and hot by the day. Let's see. Roads are really bad. Many humps and these potholes as well. Surely got to break down my speed and increase the duration of my journey. These roads deserve adventure tourists. Seriously. We'll take a quick break. We've done 161 kilometers from my house, so just relax for some time. Hey guys, so we've done around 165 kilometers from home. I've just stopped for a break, and you can just enjoy the view behind me. It's totally rocky, hilly area. So my bike here, and we have another 120 kilometers to go to the Great Canyon of India. So right now, time check, it's 8 a.m. We started at around 5:35 a.m. in the morning, and from my place we fueled up. We stopped for a fuel break, and now this is my second stop. It's at 8 a.m. and we've clocked 160 kilometers. Bike's resting. I'm chilling, and the view behind me is amazing. Away from Kadiri, that's a junction on the way, and I guess we'll be reaching our destination by around 11 a.m. Breakfast I'll have at the destination. I'm not that hungry now actually. I'm used to having breakfast at around 11, 12ish. So now it's not at all a problem. Good that I got my glares. It's really sunny. You know, Andhra, it's really hot right now at this point of the year. It's September and it's very hot, very sunny as well. Take a look on the other side. You can see the same mountainy place, right? There are Rocky Mountains. Okay guys, without wasting much time, we'll just roll forward.
Yeah.
I reached Gandhakota. It's like 1 kilometer away from Gandhakota, 1 or 2 kilometers, and I see this check post that has been put up by the cops. It seems in tourist entry is restricted. Oh man, I rode all the way from Bangalore only to find out that this place is closed. So guys, please don't come towards Gandhakota for another couple of weeks. The cops wouldn't let you pass by at any cost. So everyone's returning from here. I don't understand. Nuisance. Last week it was open, but he's telling me that since the past 25 days no one's being allowed to enter. Foolishness, just fooling around. I'll return back home now and relax. Okay, it was a tough ride to this place because of the uneven roads, and this is what I get in return. So sad. Okay guys, so I'll end this vlog here and catch up with you guys on another ride sometime after a week or two. See you, your boy. I'll be signing off for the day. Cheers. So Gandhakota is closed for tourists, so I'm just exploring the places around it, and I'm on the way back home. Take some pics and head back home.